And fauna extend even further to the north through the mountains and volcanoes that form the American Cordillera that runs like a vertebral column through all the countries of this territory. They share conditions that allow cloud jungles to thrive. Costa Rica is especially important for this kind of habitat. What are common to both the distant lands of South America and this region are the clouds and mists. The tropical forests that grow in mountainous regions have their own specific ecological characteristics. They are mysterious woodlands. Visibility is often very limited, and thus uncertainty prevails.